Hello and welcome to Imperial Distributors Canada Inc. online instructional video. This video will show you how to process your checkout items. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service. Once you have finished placing your items in your shopping basket, you may either check out directly or view basket. Here you will see all the items you have added to your basket. You may adjust the quantity here or delete the line items here. I would like to adjust the quantity of this item. I must make sure I press Update. This will now change my subtotal. To check out, press Next. Here you will see your billing address, a shipping address, all of the items you added to your list, the quantity, the subtotal, any taxes, and your total. If you have a PO number, we suggest entering it in here. Any comments such as closed for Saturday delivery, and because I have a narcotic item, I must make sure I enter a narcotic PIN. If you try to proceed by pressing Submit Order without your narcotic PIN, this will indicate here saying narcotic PIN is required. Once you've entered your narcotic PIN and press Submit Order, you will be brought to this page here where a system will generate an order number, and your sales order has now been created successfully. We thank you for watching this instructional video and we hope it was helpful. For any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact customer service.